FDA approves VIZZ, a new era in treating presbyopia. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has officially approved VIZZ, a groundbreaking treatment for presbyopia, the age-related condition that blurs near vision in adults over 45. Affecting more than 120 million Americans, presbyopia has long been managed primarily with reading glasses. Now, for the first time, there is an FDA-approved aceclidine-based eye drop designed specifically to address this common vision challenge without surgery or corrective eyewear. What makes VIZZ different? Developed by Lens Therapeutics, VIZZ is the first and only treatment of its kind. Unlike older presbyopia drops that stimulate the ciliary muscles of the eye, VIZZ works by creating a subtle pinhole effect. This is achieved by gently tightening the iris, which reduces the size of the pupil and increases the depth of focus. The result is sharper near vision without compromising distance vision. In clinical trials, VIZZ demonstrated fast and lasting results. Many participants experienced improved near vision within just 30 minutes of application. The benefits lasted up to 10 hours after a single dose, allowing users to enjoy clearer vision throughout most of their day. Single-use, preservative-free convenience. VIZZ comes in single-use vials, ensuring a fresh, preservative-free dose each time. This reduces the risk of contamination and makes the drops more comfortable for sensitive eyes. Its compact design makes it easy to carry on the go, whether at work, traveling, or during social activities. Mild, temporary side effects. Like any medical treatment, VIZZ can cause mild side effects. The most commonly reported in studies were slight eye irritation, dim vision in low light, and occasional headaches. These effects were generally temporary and did not outweigh the benefits for most users. A timely advancement in vision care. Presbyopia is a natural part of aging, caused by the gradual loss of the eye's ability to focus on near objects. For decades, people have relied on reading glasses or invasive surgical options, which can be costly and unsuitable for many. VIZZ provides a non-invasive, fast-acting alternative that fits seamlessly into daily life. The FDA's approval of VIZZ reflects a growing trend in ophthalmology, treatments that leverage precision science to improve quality of life without surgery. It gives patients and eye care providers a new tool to address a condition affecting nearly half of the adult population. Availability and launch plans. Lens Therapeutics plans to distribute free samples in October 2025, giving patients and eye care professionals the chance to experience VIZZ firsthand. By late 2025, it is expected to be widely available at pharmacies and eye clinics across the United States. Looking ahead. Presbyopia can affect productivity, daily tasks, and confidence. VIZZ offers a quick, reliable solution that lasts for hours, helping people maintain independence and clear vision throughout the day. While it doesn't reverse the natural aging of the eye, it provides meaningful improvement for everyday life. With its unique mechanism, long-lasting effect, and safety profile, VIZZ is poised to become a preferred choice for those looking to reduce reliance on reading glasses. This innovation signals a new era in eye care, where practical, science-driven solutions match the pace of modern living. As the rollout approaches, anticipation grows. VIZZ is likely to redefine how millions manage presbyopia, offering clarity and convenience for near vision like never before. Stay informed on the latest medical breakthroughs and drug approvals. Subscribe to Drug Insight Hub today to discover innovations that can improve your health and quality of life.